Alright, so let's talk about why is placement targeting so effective? Why is it the best way to target people on YouTube for the best results? So the first thing, when you target for placements, what you're doing is you're finding the most appropriate videos, the best channels to run your ads on. So these are the channels and the videos that are directly connected to the product that you're trying to sell or the service that you're trying to offer. And these channels and videos are being watched by your exact target audience, people who have looked for your service or your product and are trying to reach the exact thing that you're trying to sell. So when they reach the video, when they watch the video and your ad plays up, they're more prone to watch it to the end. They're more prone to take action, so they're more likely to take action. That's why placement targeting is so effective. Now when you're targeting with placements, you can take so many things out of the picture. The first thing, you don't need to worry about demographics, because the people who are watching your videos are 100% targeted. They have looked and found the exact videos and the channels that are in your target zone, and they have come back either to the videos using subscriptions or by finding them online. So you don't need to go so fine, because your audience is 100% targeted already. Next advantage, you don't need to really focus on keywords, figure out what keywords are suitable, or even analyze keywords to death with conversion analysis and things like that. You just need to go for placements. That's just one metric, and mostly it's pretty accurate. It's very easy to get good quality, low cost traffic, because when you're targeting perfect videos, there is a need-based thing in the market. People aren't actually even needing to search. They're there to watch the video. They're already interested in the niche, and that's why your product will have a greater appeal, and you will find people who are currently not looking for the keywords. Now what happens is, the only challenge you have is to find relevant videos. If you can find relevant videos, your targeting is spot on and you won't have any problems. But if the videos that you are trying to work with are not relevant, then the traffic is wasted. So it's very important for you to do that homework. And I'm going to tell you this, the one other problem with placement targeting is that the volumes can be very low if you are targeting only a couple of videos, or maybe even 5 or 6 or 7 videos. To make this style of marketing, to make this targeting really work, you need to find a lot of videos, as many as you can, which are directly connected to your niche. So do that, and this gets you high conversions. Why? Firstly, because people don't need to be actively looking for your exact keyword, but they're still interested in your niche, and they discover your product, and the conversions are high because the traffic is very targeted, and you're not really having to worry about losing traffic to people who are not interested in the niche, but just there because you're targeting the wrong videos somehow. That is missing. So that's why the conversions can be really good with placement targeting, and the traffic is cheap. It's inexpensive because you're targeting the exact videos that you will use to get the results. If your offer is targeted, placement targeting can give you really good results. You can have top conversions because the traffic is so accurate to the video that's being watched. You only need to find the right product, or in your case actually you only need to find the right video for your product, leave the ad running there, and the traffic is going to make you sales like clockwork without any fail every day. As long as the video is good, the traffic is constant, you will make sales. Now to find those videos, it's a little bit of a work, because if you do it manually, you will need to search, you will need to find monetized videos, and you can do that easily with TubeTarget. Just Google TubeTarget, you will get there. It's a tool that lets you find monetized videos and channels for absolutely any niche in a matter of seconds.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.